What up YouTube? How you guys doing? Today is Wednesday and you know how we do it. Every Wednesday we deposit a minimum of $25 in our Robinhood account. Yes, people. This is your boy Yardy Wall Street and you know how we do it. Let's dive into it. So today we have $404.52, and today we deposit $27. All right. Yes, we deposit an extra $2. All right, but our minimum we try to deposit is $25. And remember, every single day we deposit, we invest. Okay. Yesterday was our it was a tradition IRA, but we didn't deposit no money because I was on the road driving all over the place. I didn't get a chance. All right, so now today is Wednesday, and we just skip that and we just continue with our Robinhood account. All right, and as you can see, as what we said, $404. And look at this right here. This is I deposit $27, my buying power, but it just sitting here. This is lazy money right here, but I don't like lazy money. Remember, every single dollar is a worker, and you only need 4 habits. All right, 4 habits you need to invest. Well, this is what I do. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but my 4 habits that I use is discipline, consistent, patient, and cash. That's it. That's all you need to grow a portfolio. All right, and remember, we're not a day trade. That's gambling. We don't do trade option. That's gambling. All right, we just do it. We invest and trade is two different things. We invest on this channel. Okay, and remember, this channel is for people who work a regular 9 to 5, who think they gotta have a lot of money to invest. No, you don't. All you need is a steady 9 to 5. All right, and you just be consistent and be patient. That means you're gonna hold it for a long year. All right, if you invest for 1 year, that's gambling. If you invest for 2 years, that's gambling. If you invest for 5 years, that's speculation. You need to invest for 7, 10, 15, 20 years. All right. Yes, and listen me, you gotta treat your portfolio like your business, and it is a business. Cause look at this, I got Walmart, Microsoft, and you know me, I'm 90% ETF, 10% stocks. You know, I got VGT, I got Tesla, VTI, Apple, I got VT, I got B car, Bursa. This is Warren Buffett stock right here. Nvidia, VDC, Google, VOO, and I got Robinhood. Shout out to Robinhood. All right. I remember, people, I'm not affiliated with none of these. This is just a business. Okay. Yes. So we're gonna go ahead. All right, so the market is kind of going green today. We don't really like green, but some of the stocks that we have, is down. For instance, Microsoft. All right, so we could put 10, 20, or 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, but no, we're not gonna do it like that. We're gonna do. I'm gonna put the whole thing in Microsoft live and direct. All right, and as you can see, all right, Microsoft is trading at 405. All right, that's the price. And remember, we don't watch price. This is what I watch, the shares, and this is what you should see. We have 0.065435 share, and my market value is only $26. All right, and my return, I'm in the negative. All right, my return is negative $4.30. That means I'm losing $4. I'm not losing. You only lose when you sell, when the market is down. Okay, always remember that. All right, my average cost is $4. I'm saying $4. My average cost is $471. All right, that's my average cost, and now it's trading at $405. That means it's on sale. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna buy more. Cause remember, let's go back over here. Remember, I was supposed to buy Walmart today, right? Let's go in Walmart. But Walmart is trading at $129 with dollar cost average, but it doesn't matter, all right? But since Microsoft is down, all right, today, it only makes sense, you know what I mean, to buy when it's cheaper. You get more for your, you get more value for your money. You get more, all right? Because if it was trading at like $500, you know what I mean, and I buy it for $27, it wouldn't be a lot like when now it's cheaper. Anyway, so let's go inside, and this is how you do it. It's simple. See, they got trade option, which we don't do right here. They got sell. We're not selling for the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years. All right. So we're going to buy. And you just go like that. See what say? I got $27 in there. And that's what? The whole thing. That's how you do it. It's easy. All right. And you just swipe it up. Listen for the sound. There it goes. Bam. I love to hear that sound. And now look at it. Our value is $53.51. And now our shares move up 0.132058 shares. All right. And if we continue like this, and that's what we are going to do, we're going to buy until we have 1 full shares. All right. Doesn't care how long it takes. We're doing dollar cost average. All right. And this is how you invest. All right. There is no way around it. All right. Some people time the market. They save up a lot of cash. And when the market down, they put, you can do it that way. But what I do is consistent, discipline. All right. And that's it. All right. So now, my portfolio is a little bit stronger now. Remember, I got $27. More dollars start working for me. All right. And look at it. There you go. It start working. And what do? I just take this and I just move it all the way down to the bottom. Just do it like this. Come off the highlights. Come on. I know what's wrong with this stuff. All right. It's okay. I don't know why you do it. Maybe it doesn't want to move. Let me try this and see what happens. All right, fine. Normally, I move them around, move it to the bottom, but it's all good, you know. All right, hold on. Let me see this. There you go. I guess I gotta press on it real hard, and I do it like this. Now it's all the way at the bottom. So next week, Wednesday, it's Walmart. All right, I'm just gonna buy some Walmart or maybe Tesla. Depends upon where Tesla at. But when they're in the red, that's the best time to buy. You know what I mean? And if Walmart and if Microsoft is down next week, I still might buy more. It's always good to buy more when it's down. Okay, and this is it. Cause look, it's easy. See? I'm in green. This is my returns. I got $3.90 here, $1.06, $1. You see, we already making money. I got $5 down here. We already making money. All right, and it's easy. This is all you do, people. You got to be consistent. Remember, we start this portfolio at $25, and now look at it. We're sitting at $404. All right. And remember, we try to make this portfolio go to 15,000. All right. And remember, we got 6 portfolio. We got a Roth IRA, a traditional IRA, Robinhood account, which is this, a Fidelity account, a crypto account, which we do on Friday, and my regular Fundrise real estate investment that I do on Saturday. And Sunday, we put money in our emergency fund. And that is it, people. All you got to do is to be consistent. You can't forget that. That's key. Consistent is key. And you have to do that because guess what? You're all going to need money when you're in your 50s and your 60s. And this is it. This is your business. This is your business. And what you're going to do with your business, you're going to hire a worker, but this you don't have to hire a worker. All right? You need a manager. This you don't need no manager. You need a supervisor. This you don't need it. This work on its own. All right? And the $404 is working. All right? And look at this. If you go over, this is my, okay, so this is the Roth IRA where I got $407. It's working same way. See, I'm making 72 cents there today in the rat, and in my regular investment, I'm making 76 cents. All right, my rat IRA all time, let me see, I'm making $40. You see what I'm saying? $40. So it's already working. Compound interest is already working slowly, and the more money you put, the more you get back. Remember what we said, is not the price, is the share. All right, so let's go back. Today is Wednesday. Let's go back. So next week we're gonna do Walmart, and then the other week is VGT. You know what I mean? But if next week Tesla is still down, we're gonna do Tesla. All right, and that is it. You know what I mean? And you just continue every single week. All right, if you can't find the money, you need to get another job, get a side job, and start investing. All right, all my people from the West Indies or the Caribbean, right? And I mean, no matter who you be, all my Caribbean, American, or my FBA, all right, all my wonderful people around the world. If you have access to the stock market or any stock market, all right, and you're in a regular job, this is what you're supposed to do. This is what it's supposed to look like. All right, you need to invest. All right, you need to invest for the long term. No day trading, no trade option. That is gambling. If you want to gamble, fine. Right now, a lot of people losing money. We don't lose no money yet. We don't losing. We're only making money, and this is it. This is how it go. All right, so listen me. If you like this video, give me a like. If you like this video, give me a follow. If you like my concept, give me a comment and tell me what you doing. Are you investing? What's your style of invest? Let me know what's going on. All right, it doesn't matter. Remember, if you work at Home Depot, if in a regular 9 to 5, it doesn't matter. All right. If you do your own business, you should have a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA. All right. You should be investing. All right. Dollar cost average. That means you could buy piece share until you have one. All right. It doesn't matter. You buy when the market is high, you buy when it's low. And that is it. It's really easy to invest. All right. So listen me. Next week, Wednesday, same time, same treatment. We're going to deposit a minimum of $25. If we have $30, that's what we're going to put. If we have $40, that's what we're going to put. All right. Tomorrow is Thursday. Tomorrow, we're going to put money in our Fidelity account. All right. And then Friday, we do some crypto. All right. So listen me. Remember, people, discipline, consistent, patient, and you need some cash. That's all you need in investment. No fancy this and that. All right. So big up on yourself. One love.